In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site antiviruscleanyourpersonaloffers.com. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake. You should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups are truly deceptive. They try to make you pretty scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to eventually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups, don't trust them. Don't tolerate them. They are fake. And such pop-ups, in fact, could be the result of some adware on your computer, so you need to leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. So you may select your preferred operating system, by the way. Download Combo Cleaner, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.